If you're looking for a really cute way to organize your printed recipes, check out this set of 6 binders that I purchased on Amazon. These are 1/2-inch binders. If you're like me and you have so many printed recipes but you don't know how to store them, I found that the best way to do this is actually to have individual binders for each topic. So for example, I made one binder here for breakfast, dessert, dinner, lunch, and then I have one for bread baking, and then I have one specifically about small kitchen appliances. And let me show you the inside of these binders, because what I've been doing is actually using these to store those manuals that come with the small kitchen appliances as well. And also some notes on like some videos that I want to make, and even these really cute Instant Pot pressure cooker guides and air fryer guides. These are a great place to store things like that. So if you're looking for a really great solution for organizing all of these recipes, definitely check out this 6-pack of 1/2-inch pastel colored binders from Amazon.